The reason that I really love harmful algal blooms, which I know is weird to say, but I think harmful algal blooms are a great way to illustrate the impact that people can have on the environment. A harmful algal bloom is when algae that produces toxins grows out of control.
There are systems that are more susceptible to blooms than others. Typically, systems that have slow-moving waters, that gives the algae enough time to increase their biomass and form these blooms.
For the blooms that I study specifically, cyanobacterial blooms, we see those mainly in freshwater and estuarian ecosystems, but you can find them in your backyard neighborhood pond, and you can also find them in spaces as large as the Great Lakes. There are a handful of toxins that are produced by various types of algal blooms. So there are a suite of liver toxins that are produced, but also neurotoxins. We've been investigating the route of inhaling aerosols as a potential respiratory health issue. So when you see wind and wave action, you get air bubbles that get trapped beneath the water's surface. And as those bubbles rise through the water column, they can collect all sorts of particles. And then when they burst at the surface, you get a spray of all these microscopic aerosols that then can carry cyanobacterial cells with them into the air. Harmful algal blooms are actually naturally occurring, but humans are causing them to increase in their intensity and duration. All of my data will be available to the state to use to hopefully eventually inform policy.
This is a treatable thing. The main management step for these blooms is to reduce the nutrient inputs to our receiving waters. But there needs to be a will. And that will is ever increasing because of our need for good water quality.